Alright, what up, Snap? Man, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I meant to say YouTube. What's up, YouTube? This your boy, Papito JB, or some of y'all call me Life of Josh, or you call me JB. Anyone, by the way, as y'all can see, your boy finally got braces. Yeah, your boy got braces. I gotta get the bottom next month. But anyway, today this video right here just gonna be a little on the go with me, you know, see what I do on a day-to-day basis. But yeah, I'm finna link up with my boy Favo Got Bands and my boy White Sosa, and we finna make a video. I ain't gonna tell y'all when it's gonna drop, but just know we got a whole lot of collaborations coming. But anyway, right now it currently 3:13. So don't mind the light. I know it ain't the greatest, but you know. So I'ma get back to y'all when I get in the car. What's up though? Anyway, I forgot to record when we was in the car. Got the gang in the background. But y'all know, we out here, we finna make this video. I don't know what type of video we making, but we finna make one though. But anyway, I got my boy. White Sosa that shit fucked me up. I said,
Alright, bro, when I was in high school, first rapping, bro, that's all like.
I ain't gonna lie, get in my boy Trey, if you need a producer, and make music. I laugh with these two out here, man. You know,
you got a song that you this video.
But anyway, this video just some real slight, real small. But I'm gonna get back to y'all though when we do something else.
You don't drive my car at all no more. Fuck that. I'm bored. But we can make the first jump like over here. And that little alley. Man, that alleyway look good. It's a good alley. That ain't one of them hood alleys, fool. What? Yeah. Hey, Josh, you could do the first video. That tracker was good. Them my nigga Trey right here.
Hold on, right?
Yeah. Damn, fool, I ain't got no energy. I do got energy. I get in my acting mode. Why you never get on no podcasts?
I want to get on more podcasts, bro, but ain't nobody invited me on there.
Oh, you want somebody to invite you?
Shit, this what we do on that base. Chord. We ain't dropped none yet. This my first video back, but so this video might not be that good, but y'all just, you know, hang with your boy, share the video, subscribe. Better YouTube video coming. Trust me. Trust me.
Then they got questions and shit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Like that's all I heard.
Anyway, I'm gonna get back to y'all after the goddamn video. You did.
Nigga, let everybody that's anchoring you now go from relationships to friends and whatever and shit like that. That's why I really talk to too many people no more. Everybody not on the same shit no more. Shit like that. Like a nigga grown as hell now. And I ain't even no old nigga. I'm still a young nigga, but it's just like, nigga, I got a lot of shit I'm trying to do. Yeah. A lot of these niggas never gonna be on when I'm on, so ain't no used to being around them. But it's all love though, for sure. Always all love. Cause I think I got the video, I probably made one with Hype Man today. I don't know where the fuck, he probably running in the Popeye dancing and shit. But
that'd be funny.
Yeah, his ass doing something, but
he been going crazy.
Yeah, he been it, cause he finally found his niche, what he need to do. He found his niche, but I'm finna make a video with this nigga Nix on Tuesday. Costa Ninja, we posted him the other day.
Check out making the video. Y'all will see it this month though. Y'all tune in. Favo Got Bands on Instagram.
That might talk quiet. Hear this fan.
Hey, you gotta talk loud.
Look, I ain't gotta talk loud cause you see right there.
I don't feel like talking to you, little bro. Get off my phone cause I don't fuck with you. I heard you using my sister. I'm gonna call you back cause I'm doing something. 5 minutes.
Look on the phone.
Y'all like what White Sosa do yet?
Look him.
Yeah, I call him White Sosa.
Look.
Nah, I already made the video, fool. I'm finna be ready to come back to the east.
Yeah,
hey, fool, you wanna go out to eat?
Nigga group.
It's all $14.
Shit, I'll buy your shit. What you trying to eat, cuz? I'll put gas in the car and I'll buy you.
Hey, we go well. Phone to the camera. We going to Mumford County.
Oh, shit.
Mumford County.
That nigga
I was out there the other day.
Mother so damn far.
I was out there. I was working.
Mother so far. Shit,
Hey,
County.
we trying to go, cuz.
Okay,
I be driving trucks. I be going out there.
Alright, lit.
That shit country as fuck. It seems so boring though.
It's peaceful.
I mean, it's peaceful.
They got a gas station out there with some fire ass food, boy.
Yeah.
I stopped at that motherfucking nigga, the towel on the floor with me, I knew the food. Nigga, I'm stepping on shit. I said, yeah, this shit gonna be busted, boy. I started to pay my rent too, food.
Your own ranch?
Rent.
What, huh?
Rent.
Who?
Why I be talking shit to me?
Oh, ranch. Oh,
That way it be like that.
Shit. It's chilling.
I really wanted you and
Chilling.
Well, yeah.
Man, y'all let me know down in the comment what type of video I want me to drop. Man, it's all about life though. Hey, we got 2 trips coming up. I got one in May, one in June, Little Baby concert, and Dream Con in Houston. So if y'all at Little Baby concert or Dream Con, tap in with your boy. Hit me up on Instagram at mngmtjosh. Hit me up. Oh God, we collab. I'm gonna have the camera. It's gonna be rolling. So yeah, y'all just man, come in, do what you do.
I like it. Yeah, we gotta cook some more shit up. Where you about to go now?
I'm gonna go crib, get ready, go work out.
Where you go? What gym you go to?
ATC. I go to ATC.
Kyville?
Yeah.
Away from them fuck niggas.
Hey, make sure you cut that part out.
Yeah. I'm gonna
You
get
get lifetime membership. I was trying to bring you up there.
Taxing though,
It's
guys.
$100 a month.
For us, it is.
What's the name?
Cause I'm on Vito Johnny and you on somebody else.
Yeah, that shit cheap. $100 really cheap as hell.
Nah, it is, but like, I rather if I just work out, man, I hoop sometimes.
I don't know, but you know I be
shit. Down there lying right here suck like a motherfucker. But shit, man, we in Ikea. Nigga really don't know why, but shit, we just here. Just parlaying, trying to get y'all some footage. That's all it is. Okay. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna do something random. If I see somebody, I'm finna just be like, hey, look, if you can go back to the younger you, what would you tell yourself? What would you tell yourself? So the first person,
you gonna try to take a vacation?
first person not
I'm finna work 30, 40 weeks.
what y'all about somebody here? What y'all about? Hey, how you doing?
What's up, man?
You mind if I record you real quick, ask you a question?
What's up?
So let me flip the camera. So if you could go back to your younger self, what was something that you would tell yourself now?
Man,
That you know now with the knowledge you got now?
don't ever drink and drive,
Yes, sir.
right?
Drink and drive. Yeah.
Don't ever cheat on your wife. Mm-hmm. Always treat people with respect.
Yes, sir.
Because it comes back on you if you don't.
Oh, so to pay it forward.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
absolutely. And whatever you do, man, don't let anything get to you because it could always be worse.
Yes, sir.
About it, man.
Appreciate it. My name is Joshua, by the way.
Mine's Dwayne.
Yes, sir. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Yes, sir.
Is this whole setup 1168 right here?
Yeah, that right there. The all of this.
Okay.
So that's the boxes, the doors, the lighting, the shelves, and all that on the inside.
Okay.
That comes set this up.
So we got something we use called
But yeah, y'all heard that. Don't drink and drive. Don't cheat on your wife. Give everybody respect. Pay it forward. So, with that being said, always treat people with respect. But look, y'all. Would y'all pay $300 for these? $89, $100 for them? Cause I win. But anyway, let's see what they got right here. That shit. Free. Hey, this the setup I'm trying to have right here. Gaming chair, computer, screens and shit, you know. Yeah, that nigga right here get studio vibes. Okay, I'll tell y'all, going up to random people. Going up people. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, you mind if I ask you a question on the video?
No, go ahead.
So y'all together?
Yeah.
So, what relationship advice do you got for somebody that want to be in a long-term relationship?
Oh, I don't.
That's you.
I don't know, honestly. That's actually hard to think about. I mean, making the other person laugh. That's all I can say.
Make another person laugh?
Yeah.
So you think laughter keeps the relationship fun?
That's one of the factors. Yeah, I would say. Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Hopefully I get there one day. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
And you can lay it out any way you want. Because these are boxes, and you might want to stack them.
But yeah, look.
You might do it different.
I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute though. I'm finna talk to her real quick, see what we come up with. Y'all wanna know something unexpected? Look at this, look at this.
What did you hear?
Look at this. It's unexpected.
Nigga, yes or no before I hang up this damn phone?
Unexpected, look. We all got on the same thing.
Not
We ain't going.
planned.
She said she'll think about it. We ain't put it.
This was not planned.
We got other shit to do. We don't need all that thinking.
This what you get when great minds think alike. Look at that. Man.
I've been spraying your bitch ass for the last 10 years.
Shit.
See, look, hey, when we move, we gotta get some decorum and that shit like this right here. All these greens for.
This shit look like Home Depot outside.
The Garden 6.
Boy. Okay. Alright, say that we'll put up one later on the weekend.
Tell them we miss her too.
We miss you too. You just said don't pull up, son.
We don't even know why we in here. We just here. We just having fun.
Look, man. If you bored all the time sitting in the crib, bro, you can just go. You ain't gotta buy nothing, bro. Go to the store, walk around, go meet people, go do something. Get productive.
What you say, Morgan?
Get up in the morning, do some push-up.
No cap. Look at that nigga.
Boy, I get on your ass in real life.
Look at that nigga, man.
Run up on you, smack shit at you. Bow.
Lady just gave us some motivation to talk about keep going. You're almost there.
KB, he lame in hell. Yeah.
Cap.
I'm just playing.
You
Shut up.
She don't get up at nighttime.
Morgan, your ass be depressed, cuz.
I'm recording, bro.
You be depressed.
Why are you recording?
I'm letting depressed
Is it
people sit in the
Josh?
dark.
Yeah.
Don't worry about who it is.
Why am I on the camera? Please stop.
Nah, show your face, cuz.
Show your face.
Yeah, show your face.
I've been spraying your bitch ass for the last 10 years. I want the whole shit in there. You got some.
Yeah, she can't. Hey, what should I ask her? What should I ask her?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I've been spraying you for
It is what it is. What's up?
Hi, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Alright, boy, I'm gonna hang up.
I ain't know what to ask, y'all. I ain't know what to ask. What should I ask?
Be like you, what would you tell your younger self?
What would you tell your young self?
Ask her that.
You think so?
She had a pretty smile. She said, ass little hell. She ain't got one of them big jumbo ass. You feel?
Cuz, this is like
What Home Depot you talking about? You don't look like Home Depot.
Cuz, this is like the outside section with just with the roof on it.
Ah, yeah, all the bags.
That shit up there.
I love to be sitting down with a reach truck, man. Nigga, I come, you did. You feel me?
Marcellus ass dropped that damn grill food.
Cap.
My key said, God damn, man. Come on, let's go ask her. I really don't want to be in your camera. What if she say that for real? It don't matter.
So you gonna force her to be in the camera?
Yeah. I'm just playing. I don't even care that much.
That's sick. She finna check dude out. See? I ain't even gonna worry about it. That boy thinking about it.
I ain't got no hold about it for.
Ooh.
Hell nah. Got it for my little sister.
I ain't gonna get on that bit right now. Do donuts. You can do donuts and it be on for a little.
Sometimes, never mind. I don't need to grab my phone.
Yeah, ambulance and shit pulling up. What's going on? They had been pulling off. I was finna ask the food, but dude walked up. Dude walked up. No cap. I'm gonna hey, look bro right here. No cap. No cap. Okay. Hey family, I can ask you a question real quick. Man, look, what's something you want me to real quick? I can cool. Alright, so look, what's something you could tell you'll tell your younger self that you know now from the knowledge you got now?
Man, listen to my parents, listen to my mom, you hear me? Yeah. Most definitely, older guys just, give advice to the youngest. But we live and we learn.
Yeah, that's true.
We learn though, you know what I'm saying? So that's it. That's all I really got.
Alright, I'm 24. What advice you got for me?
24. You gonna make mistakes, bro. You know what I'm saying? But keep your head up. You feel me? You gonna make mistakes, but keep your head up, bro. Keep rolling with it, alright?
Alright.
For Jeff.
Yeah, for sure. Appreciate that. Yeah. Appreciate it, bro. See, some folks real cool though. Some folks real cool.
Yeah, man. Listen to the OG. You feel me? It's that way. Man, you're here.
Hey, how you doing? I got a question for you.
Yes.
If you could tell yourself something that you know now, your younger self, what would it be?
Maybe that the tough times aren't forever, that they pass.
No count.
Dang, I ain't never thought of that one.
That's real. That's real.
Thank you.
That's real. How you take that camera, that thing? Flip it. Break that bit. I'm trying to see what it is. Oh. What you saying? So yeah, YouTube. This is great. Y'all crazy here. You feel me?
Everybody ain't camera ready, you did. Everybody ain't made it for camera.
Yes, sir. How y'all doing?
Question for a video real quick. BJ, I know they look like y'all been together for a long time.
Yeah.
So,
Hold on. Before you get started, is it gonna be you gonna ask a question and to give me a trouble?
nah. No. This question, all it is, they can sit there like you got somebody on the road. Okay.
One relationship advice I would have is the one. Well, the first thing I would start off with, you gotta have God in your relationship.
Yeah.
You start off with God, is discipline to fall in place.
Yeah.
And then the other thing is you need to always keep the line of communication open. As long as you communicate with each other, talk about what's going on, keep God involved, and listen to the instructions of God and what advice He gives, and then that'll pretty much keep the relationship and everything on the right path.
Yeah.
You know that person.
Ditto.
Tell him again. Tell him again. Cause God sent me Jezebel last year. That's what He sent me, dog. He sent me the wrong one. Yeah.
He probably was telling you.
Yeah. Nah, thank you for the advice, man.
Y'all have a good one.
You too. You feel me? Don't get mad cause I said He sent you Jezebel. Don't come ruin my God this time either. You get what I'm saying? I am happy. I got the shoes on, the Nike Tech. I can run. I feel good. You feel me? What sweat sauce here when you need them, man?
Yeah, no cap. Man, that's probably the end of this vlog, so I ain't even gonna lie. But anyway, yeah. Peace out.